Hey guys, people are trying to figure out how to make money with paid surveys, guys. To me, it's a waste of time. Can you really make money online? Nothing that you can actually do anything with. You're talking about like $1 here, $1 there at the most, and that's like working almost all day to get that dollar. That's not something you wanna try to do. Paid surveys and online surveys are pretty much to me a waste of time, and I would look further if you're trying to make money online. I've been making money for 10 years online. I do it from the comfort of my home. As you can see right there, my name is Mike Internet Pro. You find a link below this video. There's a trial offer right now going on. It's a special. It's only $1 for 10 days. You definitely want to take advantage of it. I would just leave those surveys behind because I'm telling you, it's a waste of time. That's probably why you're trying to see if you're going to waste your time. So that's an emphatic yes, you're going to waste your time. They're not necessarily a scam. They do pay, but they don't pay anything. It's not going to be worth the effort. All you're going to do is fill out a bunch of forms and stuff like that, only to make like 5 cents or something like that. It's just going to be a long, boring day that's filled with, you might get depressed when you see how much you make. It's just ridiculous. You don't make any money. But the link below this video, guys, check it out. MikeInternetPro.com. 10 years running. I'm telling you, it's the easiest way to make money online. I'm out.